for the first time ever, I think the data is coming forward that's going to, shed light on the mechanisms of cancer and other diseases. It's just a great time to be a scientist.
So I think one of the great things about epigenetics right now is the speed at which the field is exploding. There's this amazing convergence between non-coding RNAs, histone modifications, methylations, all of which are coming to a head at this point. And it's exciting because we're beginning to realize again how little we actually know and what we have to look forward to in the near future.
One thing that's not totally obvious to everyone is that stem cells are really epigenetic events. So to make an induced pluripotent cell, which is really the future of stem cells, requires changing not the genome, not DNA sequence, but changing chromatin structure.
Honestly, things are moving so fast that every single day there are new developments and changes in the industry.
You see this pervasive transcription, divergent domains, antisense transcription, and there's so much information there that hasn't been looked at up till now.
It's a crucial time after the genome has been sequenced, after we're just starting to see all the code that lies on top of the genome, the histone code, the epigenetic marks. Where this is leading next is to integrate all of these levels into designs for cells, designs for therapies, designs for transplants that will depend upon a much broader knowledge of biology than we even imagined just a few years ago. The great thing about Epigenie, of course, is that it's the painless and entertaining way to keep up on what's going on.
What I like about it most is how much fun it is to read the articles.
I'm grateful there's people who care that much about the field that, and stay neutral.
It's amazingly up to date. It's, as opposed to most other scientific resources, it's not dry and boring.
The guys who are doing the writing, the people who are doing the writing, really put a lot of thought into it. They really go into the articles.
They're not owned by anybody, they're independent.
It's a fun way to pay attention to what everyone else is doing and to be notified by email regularly about what you've missed in the literature.
So they give you stuff that's very insightful into it, but also presented in a way that's very fun, very engaging, very humorous, and it's incredibly fresh.
That's what we need in the scientific community, is just objective information that lets researchers know what's going on in the field and keeps us up to date.
So it's just a fantastic resource that I wish other areas of biology were as entertaining as Epigenie were.